Wish you a very good day, my dear children. Now today we are going to discuss grade 6, unit 2, place value, part 2. Now you can remember in the first part we discussed many things related to place value, and in this part we have to discuss only large numbers. Now what have we got to learn related to large numbers? Only three things. How to divide a number into zones, how to read a large number, and how to write a large number in words. Only three. Okay, now let's discuss how to divide a separate number into zones. Now look at this number. Now at once, can you say how many digits it has got? Even that we can't say at once. We will happen to count like this. Therefore, now we can't find what this number is. Therefore, now there is a standard method of writing numbers. We separate this number into zones of 3 digits from your right hand side like this. Then we have to keep a small space like this. 125 space 798 space 732 space 488. Like this we keep a small space. Now what is the size of this space? It is not the size of the thumb or anything else. The space you need for writing one digit. You have to keep that space between the zones. Zones of periods. We call them periods also. Right. Now I will write some more numbers, then we can separate them. Now let's separate them into zones, divide them into zones. Or in other words, let's write these numbers in the standard form. Now if you happen to answer this question, if this type of question comes in your question paper, don't hesitate to take your pencil and draw lines like this. Draw lines separating 3-digit areas, periods, right? Then you can write the number like this. 5 space 300 space 3 zeros space 721. Now you know, in one zone we can keep 3 digits. So we start separating from the right hand side. But unfortunately in here you have only 1 digit for this zone. Can't help, because if there is only 1 digit, we can't add more. Let it be 1. Then the next one. Here you are. Separate. How can we write this number in the standard method? That is 76 space 530 space 800 space 930. The other one. Separate. 82 706 793 254. The other one. 56 783 964. When we write numbers, we must always keep a space, separate them into zones of 3 digits like this. Right. Now we are going to discuss the names of this one. Before that, small exercise is there. Now I think all your answers are all correct for the first exercise. Alright, now let's get to this one. Names of zones or periods. This is here one period, another period, period of zone. This one, that is the unit zone. This one, 1000 zone. This one, million, million, million zone, and billion, billion zone. Billion, from this side unit, 1000, million, billion. Like this we have to separate them into zones, right? Now how can we read the number? 321 533 217 188. How can we read this number? 321 billion 533 million 217,188. Remember one thing. Now for these ones we said billion. 533 million, 270,000. But for the other one, we do not say unit. We do not say that. We say nothing. 221 million, 533 million, 270,188. That's all. Now, if this number comes like this, then what is that? 1,533 million, like that. If this one is blank, 0, 0, 0, then how can you read it? 1,533 million, do you say 0,000? No, we don't say that. 1,533 million, 188. 0, 0. How can we read this? 1,533 million, 8. Now you know how to read a number given in numerals. Read or write in words. How to write in words a number given in numerals. Now I will put a small exercise, but remember one thing, unlike the other ones, this is very, very important. This is a place where many children make mistakes. Right? Always stick to my instructions. Right? Now I am putting the exercise. Yes, children, now we have read the last step of our lesson, that is writing a number given in words, in numerals. Now in here, several numbers have been given in words and we are going to write them in numerals. But this one is a very significant place. But always stick to my instructions as beginners. Once you practice this, no matter. But at the beginning, stick to my instructions. Here you are. When you are given a number like this, you first draw the zones. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like this. This is unit zone. Unit, thousand, million, billion. Okay. Now, 507 billion. In the billion zone, you have to write 507. Now that part is over. 830 million. 830 million. In the billion zone, 830. 251,000. In the thousand zone, 251. 198. Here you are. This is the way. But if this question comes in the question paper, don't put all these lines and this thing, that thing, everything. After making the number like this, then you write it 507 space 830 space 251 space 198, like this. This is your rough work. Right. Then let's take up the second one. First one is now over. Yes. Now in here I have used two colors, but if the question comes in the question paper, you don't get two colors. Therefore, you can underline 2 billion 53,000 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Unit, thousand, million, billion. 2 billion. In the billion zone, only 2. 53,000. 53,000. 0, 53. 8. If you write it in here, it will be 800, no? 0, 0, 8. This one, blank. Put zeros. Why do you put zeros? Otherwise, when you divide into zones, this will not come to the billion zone if you don't put the zeros. Right? 2 billion, 53,008. Then 30 billion. Only billion. Only billion. 30 billion. In the billion zone, you write 30. All the others are zeros. Last one, 2 million 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Unit, thousand, million, billion. 2 million. 2. These ones, all zeros. But in here you need not put zeros because they are not place makers. They do not change the places. Therefore, you need not put. Okay. Then you write the number 2 0 0 0 2 like this. 2 million, no thousands, 2. So this is the way you write numbers. Now our lesson is over. Everything is now complete. So I believe that I gave it in a very clear manner, and I am putting another exercises for the last one. Do it, and at the end all the answers for all the exercises are given. Check your answers. If there are any mistakes, go through the video once again. As a teacher, I feel that I did a good job, and you can make use of it. I am very happy if you put a comment about what you feel about my effort. Alright, my dear children, wish you good luck.